Dear students, today we open page number 86, Pattern 16. 16. The sun and other stars. The sun and other stars. The sun and other stars, in which we have completed A, B and C are worksheet 16. So worksheet 16, in which now see about the C. So we have completed, we have a revision. This is the revision. So first you see true and the false. So first you see the sun is a star. The sun is a star. Yes, it is correct. So first will be of the true, and second you see the sun revolves around the earth. No, it is the false. Third, on a dark clear night, we can see about 6,000 stars in the sky. It is correct. We can see about 6,000 stars in the sky. So third is that true. And fourth you see, many stars are bigger than the sun. Many stars are bigger than the sun. It is correct. It is correct. Many stars are bigger than the sun. They are the looking smaller than the sun because their distance is more from the earth in comparison to the sun. Yet they are bigger than the sun. Orion and the Hunter is our constellations. Fifth, it is also correct. These are the constellations. Now see next, we have to see the D. Fill in the blanks with the correct name. Fill in the blanks with correct names. Correct names of the planets. So first it is written, first only M is written, you have to complete as I have told you last time, that is Mercury. First Mercury. First is the Mercury and second Venus. Second is Venus. Now see the third, only E is written here. So third, Earth. E is written here. So E-A-R-T-H, Earth. And fourth, M is written. So there will be Mars. M-A-R-S. Fourth. Fifth, J is written, so you have this, there will be Jupiter. Jupiter. And next 6, yes is written, so there will be Saturn. Saturn. And 7th you see U, it is written, so there will be Uranus. Uranus. And next number 8, N is written, so there will be Neptune. Neptune. So these are the planets. So first Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. These are the 8 planets you can fill in your the copy. Now say next question. Question number E. Now we have to see the E. Now next you see E. Answer the following. Answer the following. So first you see the question first. Which planet is the farthest from the which planet is the farthest from the sun? Which planet is farthest from the sun? So you have seen in this diagram. First one is the sun was written, and from the sun first was Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. So which is the Mars is the closest, while Neptune is the farthest. So according to this question, which planet is the farthest from the sun? So you can write planet Neptune is the farthest from the sun. The planet Neptune is farthest from the sun. Now see next question. Why does the sun look smaller than the earth? Why does the sun looks smaller than the earth? You know this only due to the distance, since Earth, since sun is far far away from the earth, so it looks smaller than the earth. What are planets? Name the nearest planet to the earth. As I have told you, the bodies which revolves or moves around the sun are called as the planets. They do not have their own light, and they revolves or they moves around the sun in a fixed path. And name the nearest planet to the earth as it is given in the diagram. Mars is the nearest planet to the sun. Why do stars appear like tiny lamps? So last time I have given the examples, written these. All the stars are like sun in the sky. They are hot and give up hot light. Our sun too is a star. It is a medium-sized star. It is the star nearest to the earth. So why appears like tiny lamps? So all the stars are far far away from the earth. That is why the rays do not reach us. They are lost in the space. We can see them only as tiny lamps. Next, you can revise more questions. What are the constellations in same way? And then how many stars can you see on a dark, clear night? So, as I told you last time, you can revise it many times. So, next day we will start study next. Thank you. That's for today.